Another day, another update kay Kamatis. Kung nakita nyo sa mga previous videos ko before, white talaga yung interior ni Kamatis and honestly, dumi siya tignan. So, we decided to paint it black and hindi lang yon. After siyang na-paint ng black, ayan. Tuyo na ba? Guys, check out my roll cage. It's my favorite color and it matches my rim! Tada! So, ayan yung after results. Sayang lang hindi ko nakuhanan yung before pero sobrang ganda. And sobrang linis na yan tignan. ba? Diba? So, aesthetic. Ngayon, matatago na natin yung dumi. At naman natin yung kay Daughter Drift. So, bakit may glitters? Ito na. Dapat mink. Pero okay lang. Blue naman yung favorite na eh. Bakit niya? Bakit niya? Kaninong drift car ba to? Huy, ano ba? First na ulit, pwede nang... Ano?
Bangga lang, wag sunog.
Drift lang.
Drip lang.
And now, after naman ma-repair ng ating body kits, once again, thank you Sir Ray of Revs Carbon. At katapos ma-repaint ang interiors at ang ating roll cage, thanks to Autocraft Drift. It is now ready for wrapping or decal. So, ayan, niliload na si Kamatis papunta sa Decal Republic by Chuck. So, Sir Chuck, thank you so much for handling our 2025 livery. Stay tuned for the results and see you on the next. Getting ready to go to Isabela. Ayan si Jofiro, nakasakay na sa trailer. Of course, we have Kamatis. So, ayan, ready na rin siya. Next up is Jawbone. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng naiwan.
Traveling with 3 trailers this far, but we have confidence because the Hilux, look kung gaano kabigat yung hatak tsaka yung karga, but I'm confident because I am on Accelera tires. Switch now.